Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x squared. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Here inverse function. So put value in such a way so that it convert into sine. So just put x equal to tan theta. So if you will put x equal to tan theta, then integration of sine inverse, x tan theta 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sine 2 theta. So this is directly you can write sine 2 theta. Now this is what? Integration of sine inverse sine 2 theta is what? Simply 2 theta, and this is what? Dx. So we can write 2 and here theta. So x equal to tan theta. So theta is what? Tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse x dx. Now we can write this is the only one part. We don't know integration of tan inverse x. So we will solve this by integration by parts. So just multiply by 1. So we'll write 1 into this is what? Tan x dx. So we can write 2. Integration by part, we use the formula ILAT, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric. So algebraic is first, trigonometric is what? Second. So here we will write what? That is the 2 tan inverse x dx. So here what? This is tan inverse x. So this is the inverse function. So this is the first and this is the algebraic, this is the second. So 2 into, leave the first, that is tan inverse x. Integration of second, so integration of 1 is what? X minus integration. Derivative of 5, that is tan inverse x, derivative is what? 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of second, that is what? 1, and this is what? Dx. So we will get what? That is 2x and it is tan inverse x and minus integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is simply 2x and it is tan inverse x. X upon 1 plus x square, when we put 1 plus x square equal to t. So derivative will be what? 2x. So dx will be dt by 2x. So x is cancelled, get what? 1 by 2. So this is integration is what? Here this is this 2 multiply here. So this is also here 2. So 2 into, and here what? That is 1 by 2. And this is log of 1 plus x square, because integration of 1 by t is what? Log t. So log 1 plus x square plus c. So this 2 and 2 cancel. We will get 2x tan inverse x minus log 1 plus x square plus c is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of e power 2x into sine dx. So for this type of questions given the product form. So we'll use integration by parts. So ILAT, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So trigonometric first function, exponentially second function. So using integration by parts, so left the first function, that is sine x. Integration of second, that is integration of e to x is what? E power 2x by 2 minus integration. Derivative of first, to derivative first is what? Cos x into integration of second, that is e power 2x by 2 dx. So we can write I barabar integration equal to what? That is sine x into e power 2x by 2, and this is minus half integration of cos x into e power 2x dx. So again this is in the form of product. So this is what? Again this is the first function, this is the second function. So again we will use the same integration by part. So we'll get sine x e power 2x by 2, and this is minus half. Now this is what? So leave the first function, that is cos x, integration of second, e power 2x by 2, and minus integration. Derivative of first is what? That is cos x, derivative is minus sine x. Integration is what? E power 2x by 2 dx. So again we will write this equal to what? That is sine x into e power x, e power 2x upon 2, and this is minus 1 by 4. This is cos x into e power 2x, and this is what? Minus minus plus and minus. So this is minus 1 by 4, and this is what? Sine x into e power 2x, e power 2x dx. So this is I, so we can write I plus I by 4. So I plus 1 by 4, that is I by 4, and this equal to what? That is sine x into e power 2x minus cos x into e power 2x by 4. So we can write here 5 by 4. So 4. So when we take here, this is 2. So we can write here 5I by 4, and this equal to what? That is 2 sine x into e power 2x minus. This is cos x into e power 2x by 4. This 4 cancel. We get I equal to what? That is e power x is common. So we can write 2 sine x minus cos x and divided by 5. This is our correct answer.